solar powered bug zappers that are waterproof, no batteries. Can it be true? I'm on a quest to try to find ways to not have little dead things flying around my house, and I found these on Amazon. They're supposed to be solar powered, motion sensor, and they're going to zap the little bugs down in here, and they have like a little tray down here where you can clean the little dead bugs out. It even comes with a little cleaning brush, and it comes with the hardware that you need to install it. Let's see if these work.
Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. 2-in-1 solar powered bug zapper. High efficient, safe, effective, solar powered, auto off and on, weather resistant, no chemicals. More specs. Manufacturer's information. Read the directions. How to use it. You want to, it lures and detects insects with the use of UV light, and then it quickly and efficiently kills them. Has a motion detector that makes the bug zapping tool for your home. Eco-friendly, no chemicals or toxins, just simply powered by solar energy. Has a, well, just have a template. It shows you installation holes. Maybe there's a template in here. Solar panel, the LED thing, motion sensors, protective housing, high voltage grids, and then it has an insect cleaning port. I guess they fall in there and you have to drop that and clean them out. More specs. It's supposed to be waterproof. And just your regular warnings. Turn the power off before servicing and cleaning. Okay, y'all remember to cut the sun off. Before cleaning, allow it to sit for 45 minutes to release charge from the electric grid. Get the insects out that are dead because they may be a fire hazard. Don't look at it right in the eye. Press the power button to turn on the device, then put it in the outdoor area that can be fully charged under direct sunlight during the day. Once evening arrives, it will automatically turn on the LED, motion detection, and the zapping functions. Purple light will stay on all the time, and once motion is detected, the white light will stay on for 20 seconds. The pest will zap the insects around the area while eliminating your outdoor space, and then it will automatically turn off in the morning and recharge under direct sunlight. You hear that thunder outside? Oh, they're bigger than I thought. So that's the solar panel. This is the zapper thing. This is what's supposed to attract them. I guess that's the motion sensor. Off and on. They're bigger than I thought. They have that great, wonderful electronic smell. So we have a little, oh, I guess that's to put it in the wall. And then we have, oh, a little cleaning brush. Come out of there. It's not wanting to come out. And I guess this is sticky tape. Yep, because you want to stick it somewhere instead of drilling a hole. It does not have a template for drilling a hole, so I can drill a hole, put this in, slide it up like that. And I'm going to be putting mine on wood, not masonry, so I don't think I'm going to have that at all. Not going to install it in the rain though. Not going to be installing it during a thunderstorm. It's been rainy today, so I actually put mine underneath a lamp to let it charge up some. It didn't say anywhere on the instructions to pull this protective film off, but I've had solar lights before that did tell you to take this off. So here we go. Before using them, you have to make sure you cut the switch on, and it's a little switch that's pushed over to that side, it's off, so you slide it to that side and it's on, and we can see that it is on, and I'm not going to touch that because I don't want to get shocked. Same thing on this one, slide it over, and it's on. I haven't decided where I want them to go. I'm going to test them for right now. I'm going to set it here. And we'll see if it works. My solar motion light will go off in a moment, hopefully. So I just set one on each end of the railing, and the bug attraction light is on. The motion sensor lights have gone off because I'm trying to be still. I just moved so the motion sensor light came on. Not hearing any bug zapping. And on this one, can't tell if the light's on or not. Yeah, it is on. I'm standing at a weird angle for it. I guess we'll come back and check later, see if any bugs are dead on the railing underneath them. And there are no dead bugs. Maybe a few in there. Yep. Gonna let them get a little bit more sun today and see if they are more powerful tonight. I put a tack up and I'm just gonna see how these do tonight. I'm just finding a split that's already in the wood. Using a tack. We'll see how it does tonight. The next day, very few dead bugs. This light is just not staying on at night. And this motion sensor did come on, but that's really not a lot of dead bugs. One night, is it? And this one up here, there's some in there. So it's going to do a little bit. It's not going to do a whole lot. This light just doesn't stay on long enough to attract those bugs, I don't think. Yeah, and so no dead bugs falling out of the bottom. Can't do this with one hand. Honestly, I don't even see why this needs to be here if I'm going to keep it outside. The bottom, I think I could just take it out and any dead bugs could just fall out onto the ground or whatever. I guess if you've got it sitting somewhere like the side of your house, you don't want dead bugs falling out on your patio or porch. Yep, this motion sensor part works great. The bug zapper part, moderately. I have the two lights side by side in the bathroom, and you can see that the light that attracts the bugs is just not that bright. The motion sensor part is quite bright. See if I can get a little bit closer without setting off the motion sensors. I just think that the part that attracts the mosquitoes needs to be a little bit brighter. It's very, very tiny. You can see the motion sensor lights are quite bright. Great for motion sensor. Fair for the mosquitoes. Here's a front view of the part that's supposed to attract the insects. You can see that the light on the left is barely purple. It looks darker on the video than it does in real life. Just not sure that it's strong enough to attract the mosquitoes or the bugs. It's only one little light, and it's just kind of illuminated by the metal pieces in there. You can see the difference. I'll test the motion sensor for you in the dark room. So it's quite bright. So these would be handy if you want to use them for solar lights, but I don't know that I would pay the extra money for the bug portion. There's probably some cheaper alternatives out there. I definitely have a better bug zapper than this. It's larger and it attracts a lot of bugs. Seriously, this is overkill. I don't need wood screws this long. I'm supposed to hang these up. I've just got mine hanging up on a tack right now. But hey, you might need them for your purposes. After 3 days, we have this. Not really a lot going on there. There's no bugs on the ground below it. Nothing to clean out in here. So as far as pest control, I'm thinking these are not really worth the money. Same thing here, 3 days. See some in there, but certainly not worth what I paid for it. I've got other bug zappers that have tons of dead bugs at the end of one session. These don't. I've even hung these on the front where they're getting full sunshine, and now I've taken them down, cut them off and on twice, and there's absolutely no light. There's like nothing even coming out. There's no UV light, nothing coming out. These things are worthless. When I cut it off and on, the light will come on sound for about 10 seconds. And that's it. And then it just goes off. And nothing else happens to it. I cut these off and on. The light will stay on for about 10 seconds or so. And then that's it. There's no like bug zapper light, no nothing. And they won't even light won't even come on for motion sensing. Useless. Sending it back, getting my money back. Watch. Nothing. Nothing will cut the light on. Absolutely nothing that will cut this light on. It's useless.
Thanks for watching my video about the solar powered bug zappers. Remember, it's free to leave a positive comment. It's free to leave a negative comment. It is free to share the video. It's check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy these or something similar. It helps me out a little bit if you do. And until next time, let's just help each other find ways to get rid of things in our lives that we don't want and acquire more of the things that we do want. If you have time before you go, watch the video. Thank you very much. Bye.